Hello, we learn today maybe, may have been, might have been as main verbs. He may be at home now. ඔහු ගෙදර ඉන්නේ ඉඳ තියෙනවා. Then it might be difficult at first. පළමුවෙන් එය අමාරු වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. He may have been busy yesterday. ඔහු ඊයේ කාර්යබහුලව ඉඳලා ඇති. They may have been at the meeting. ඔවුන් රැස්වීමේ ඉඳලා ඇති. She might have been in the town. ඇය ටවුමේ ඉන්නට ඇති. It might have been a mistake. එය වරදක් වෙන්නට ඇති. We use maybe for to show present possibility or future possibility. May have been, we use may have been to show past possibility. We use might have been to show past weaker or more uncertain possibility. Thank you. Use your English without worrying much about grammar rules, which are very easy. Thank you.